Hello everyone, hope you all are doing good. It's me Anjana from LearnoHub, the free learning platform where you can study Math, Science and SST absolutely free at learnohub.com. In today's class, we are going to discuss ICSE Class 10 Maths Chapter 3 Shares and Dividends Exercise 3B questions. If you haven't watched my previous video, go watch it first because there we are discussing the important formulas that we need today. Okay, do watch the video and be back. We'll solve all the questions together. Are you ready? Yes, let's start. Let's start with an example. Here is a question. A man desires to have an annual income of 36,000 from 18% rupees 120 shares available at a premium of 20%. How much should he invest? Is the question clear? Simple question, right? If you remember the formulas, you can easily solve this question. Given the annual income, which is the dividend. Yes, dividend is given, which is equal to rupees 36,000 from 18% rupees 125 shares. What is this 18%? Dividend percentage, right? That is the rate of dividend. Rate of dividend or dividend percentage is equal to 18%. Rupees 125 shares. Rupees 125 is the nominal value. Nominal value is equal to rupees 125. Available at a premium of 20%. Premium we need to find first. It is given 20% premium, which means we have to calculate with respect to the nominal value. Premium is equal to 20% of nominal value, that is 125. 20 by 100 into 125, which is equal to rupees 25. Yes, we got the premium, which is rupees 25. If you get the premium, we can easily find the market value. Market value of one share is equal to nominal value plus premium. That is rupees 125 plus rupees 25, which is equal to rupees 150. We got the market value of one share. Here we need to find the investment. How much should he invest? Which means the sum invested or the investment. We have to find the investment. How do you find investment? Our first formula, investment is equal to, yes, number of shares into market value of one share. Market value of one share. Investment is equal to number of shares into market value of one shares. We have the number of shares? No, right? We have to find the number of shares. How do you find the number of shares here? To find the number of shares, we have the dividend, rate of dividend and the nominal value. Yes? Then we can easily find the number of shares. We have dividend is equal to number of shares into rate of dividend into nominal value of one shares. Here, what is the dividend? 36,000. 36,000 is equal to number of shares. We don't know, we'll keep it as it is. Into rate 18%, which means 18 by 100. Nominal value of one share, that is rupees 125. 125. N is equal to 36,000 into 100 divided by 18 into 125. Cancelling. Here you will be getting 2000 4. 25 into 4 is 100. 25 into 5 is 125. Again, you can cancel this 5 and 2000. You will be getting 5 into 400 is 2000. 400 into 4, 1600 shares. So, we got the number of shares. Now, we can easily find the investment. We have the market value and the number of shares. Investment is equal to number of shares 1600 into rupees 150. 150. What is the final answer? Just by multiplying you will be getting. Yes, you will be getting rupees 2,40,000. Got it? First, remember the formula. To find investment, we need the number of shares and the market value of one share. We found the market value of one share and the number of shares separately and substituted in this equation to get the investment. Final answer is 2,40,000 rupees. Clear? Yes? Let's solve problems from exercise 3B. You can solve it, right? Okay, let's solve together. Problem 1. Question 1 of exercise 3B. A man buys 75 rupees 100 shares paying 9% dividend. He buys shares at such a price that he gets 12% of his money. At what price did he buy the shares? Here we have to find the price at which the shares are bought, which means the market value of one share. Yes? Given number of shares is equal to 75. Then a man buys 75 rupees 100 shares, which means the nominal value is equal to rupees 100. Paying 9% dividend. Rate of dividend is given, that is 9%. He buys shares at such a price that he gets 12% of his money. What is this 12%? Yes, 12% is the profit percentage. Profit percentage is given, which is equal to 12%. We have a formula to find profit percentage. Profit percentage is equal to income by investment into 100. Also, we have investment is equal to number of shares into market value of one share. Yes? Here we don't know the market value. Let's take market value of one share is equal to some y. Okay? Rupees y. Market value is rupees y. If market value is rupees y, what is the investment? We know the number of shares. Yes? Then the investment is equal to n into market value. 75 into rupees y. That is 75y is our investment. What about income? How do you find income? We have the dividend percentage, nominal value and number of shares. Now we can find the dividend, which is the income. Yes? So the dividend is equal to number of shares into rate of dividend into nominal value of one share. That is 75 into R, 9%, which means 9 divided by 100 into nominal value of one share. Here it is rupees 100 into 100. Cancelling this, you will be getting dividend as rupees 675. 75 into 9. We got the dividend, which is our income. Yes? Now we have the profit percentage. We know the income. We have made an equation for investment. Just substitute there. Profit percentage is 12. 12 is equal to income. Income is 675. 675 divided by investment. Investment is 75y. 75y into 100. Now we just need to find the value of y. We will be getting the market value of one share, which is our question. Yes. At what price did he buy the shares? Which is the market value of one share. Y is equal to 675 into 100 divided by 75 into 12. Your final answer will be rupees 75. Okay. On calculating this, you will be getting rupees 75. Clear? Yes? Okay, let's move on to the next question. Problem 2. Question number 3 of exercise 3B. 100 rupees shares of a company are available in the market at a premium of rupees 20. Find the rate of dividend given by the company when a man's return on his investment is 15%. Return percentage is given, which is also known as profit percentage. Now, we have the nominal value of one share is equal to rupees 100. Then, at a premium of rupees 20, premium is given. Premium is equal to rupees 20. So, this is a case above par. Market value should be greater than nominal value. We can calculate the market value easily. What is market value? Nominal value plus premium. Rupees 100 plus rupees 20 equal to rupees 120. This is our market value. Now, we have the profit percentage given. What is the profit percentage? Profit percentage is equal to, yes, return on his investment is 15%. Return and profit are the same. So, return percentage is 15%, which means profit percentage is equal to 15%. 15% of market value, when we calculate, we get the profit. Profit is calculated with respect to market value, not the nominal value. Profit is equal to 15% of 120. That is 15 divided by 100 into 120. You will be getting rupees 18. 15 into 12 is 180 divided by 10, rupees 18. Now, we need to find dividend percentage or the rate of dividend. We have the dividend here. What is the dividend? We know return, profit, income, dividend, all are the same. We need to calculate dividend percentage. Dividend is same as profit, which is equal to rupees 18. Also, we have the nominal value. Then we can easily calculate the dividend percentage. We have dividend is equal to dividend percentage into nominal value of all shares. Dividend is equal to dividend percentage of nominal value of n number of shares. Here the number is not mentioned. We are calculating everything with respect to one share. Okay, let's take dividend percentage is equal to some x percentage. Okay, dividend percentage as x percentage. Then we'll be having dividend is equal to x percentage of nominal value, x divided by 100 into 100 is the dividend. What is dividend? Dividend is 18. Cancelling hundreds, we'll be getting x is equal to 18 percentage. X is equal to 18 percentage. So, we calculated the rate of dividend. Rate of dividend is equal to 18 percentage. Clear? Next question. Problem number 3. Question number 5 of exercise 3B. A company declares 8% dividend to the shareholders. A man receives rupees 2,840 as his dividend. Find the nominal value of his shares. This is a simple question, right? Okay, let's take. Let nominal value is equal to some x. Okay, this is the unknown value. We need to find. So, we are taking nominal value as x. Then, what are the given quantities? 8% dividend, which means the rate of dividend is given. Dividend percentage is equal to 8%. Then, a man receives rupees 2,840 as his dividend, which means dividend is also given. Dividend is equal to rupees 2,840. Find the nominal value of his shares. We have a simple formula. Dividend is equal to dividend percentage of nominal value. Yes. Here 2,840 is equal to 8% of nominal value is x. 8% of x. 2,840 is equal to 8 by 100 into x. Now we can calculate the value of x. X is equal to 2,840 into 100 divided by 8. 2,840 by 8. We'll be getting 35,500 rupees. X is equal to 35,500 rupees, which is the nominal value. Nominal value is equal to 35,500 rupees. Very easy question, right? Just we had to substitute the values. We didn't know what nominal value is. So, we took nominal value as x. Okay. Let's move on to the next question. Problem number 4. Question 10 of exercise 3B. A company with 10,000 shares of rupees 100 each declares an annual dividend of 5%. What is the total amount of dividend paid by the company? What should be the annual income of a man who has 72 shares in the company? If he received only 4% of his investment, find the price he paid for each share. Is the question clear? We have 3 parts. Let's start. Here, n is equal to, number of shares is equal to 10,000. Of rupees 100 each, nominal value is given rupees 100. Declares an annual dividend of 5%, which means dividend percentage or the rate of dividend is given, which is equal to 5%. In the first part, we need to find the total amount of dividend. Direct question. Dividend is equal to, dividend or annual income is equal to, we have n into r into nominal value of 1 share. Substitute the values. R and dividend percentage are the same. N is 10,000 into R equal to 5. Nominal value 100 divided by 100. Rate will be always 5 by 100. Okay. Never forget to put this 100. You can cancel this hundreds. You will be getting dividend as rupees 50,000. Clear? We got the dividend for the first question, which is equal to rupees 50,000. Now the second part. What should be the annual income of a man who has 72 shares in the company? Here the value of N is 72. Annual income, which means we have to find dividend in this case also. What is the nominal value? Nominal value is same, 100 itself. Rupees 100. Then rate of dividend, same, that is 5%. Dividend is equal to N into R into NV. What is N here? In this case, N is 72. In the previous case, it was 10,000. Just the value of N is changing. 72 into 5 into nominal value. Yeah, this is 5 by 100. Into nominal value, 100. Cancelling hundreds. You will be getting rupees 360. Rupees 360 is the dividend here. Dividend or annual income. Annual income is equal to, should never forget this, annual income and dividend are the same. Income, profit, return are the same. Annual income is equal to rupees 360. Now the third part. If he received only 4% of his investment, which means profit percentage is given. Profit percentage is equal to 4%. Find the price he paid for each share. We need to find the market value. Let's take market value of one share is equal to Y. What is the total number of shares? 10,000 shares. Therefore, market value of 10,000 shares is equal to 10,000 Y. Yes? Then, we have the annual income or dividend given. We have determined the dividend in the first question. We got 50,000 rupees. Now, what is this dividend? Dividend will be equal to profit percentage of market value of 10,000 shares. Yes? Just substitute the values. 50,000 is equal to profit percentage 4%, that is 4 by 100 into market value of 10,000 shares, that is 10,000 Y. You can cancel these zeros. What is the value of Y then? You will be getting 500 divided by 4, which is equal to rupees 125. Rupees 125. If he received only 4% of his investment, find the price he paid for each share. The price he paid for each share is rupees 125. The value of Y gives us the amount he paid for each share. Clear? Yes? Problem number 5. Question number 13 of exercise 3B. Mr. Sharma has 60 shares of nominal value rupees 100 and sells them when they are at a premium of 60%. He invests the proceeds in shares of nominal value rupees 50, quoted at 4% discount and paying 18% dividend annually. Calculate the sale proceeds, the number of shares he buys and his annual dividend from the share. What is the sale proceeds? Sale proceeds means here the sale is going on. We have to find the market value at that particular instant of time, which is the sale proceed. At particular instant for 60 shares, here we have 60 shares, what is the market value? At what price is the share available at that particular period of time? Okay, that is the sale proceeds. Given n is equal to 60, nominal value of one share is rupees 100 and the premium is given, premium of 60%. Premium is equal to 60% of rupees 100. 60% of nominal value, that is rupees 100. You will be getting rupees 60, that is 60 by 100 into 100. You will be getting rupees 60. Now what is the market value of one share? What is the market value of one share? You will be getting rupees 100 plus rupees 60, that is rupees 160. We have to find market value for 60 shares. Market value of 60 shares is equal to 60 into rupees 160. That is rupees, got the answer? Yes, 9,600. Okay, this is the market value of 60 shares. We need to find the sale proceeds. Sale proceeds is equal to rupees 9,600. Clear? This is our first part. Now the second part of question, he invests the proceeds in shares of nominal value rupees 50. Here the nominal value is rupees 50. Quoted at 4% discount. What is the discount then? Discount is equal to 4% of rupees 50. That is 4 by 100 into 50 equal to rupees 2. Now we can find the market value of one share. Yes, market value of one share is equal to nominal value minus discount. That is rupees 50 minus rupees 2 equal to rupees 48. Okay. We have to find the number of shares he buys. How do you find the number of shares here? We have the market value of one share, that is rupees 48. Total number of shares also we know. That is 60 shares. Initially we had 60 shares. From that we had found the market value of 60 shares. Yes, that is 9,600 rupees. Now we can easily find the number of shares, right? Number of shares is equal to market value of 60 shares. Market value of 60 shares divided by market value of one share. That is 9,600 divided by 48. You will be getting 200 shares. 200 shares. Yes, this is our second part. Now, we have to find the third part, that is his annual dividend for the shares. How do you find this? Third part, annual dividend. We have to find the dividend. How to find dividend? Dividend is equal to number of shares into rate of dividend into nominal value of 1 shares. This is when the sale proceeds. Here we have given the rate of dividend, that is 18%. Okay, 18%. Now we can calculate dividend. Dividend is equal to number of shares. We determine the number of shares is 200 shares. 200 into rate of dividend is 18%. 18 by 100 into nominal value of 1 share. Here the nominal value of 1 share is rupees 50. 50. 50 into 2 is 100. 2 and 200, you will be getting 100 here. That is rupees 1800. This is the answer for your third part. That is his annual dividend from the shares. Clear? Yes? Remember this point. Sale proceeds means you have to find the market value of the n number of shares at that particular instant. We know market value is something that is changing. Nominal value is fixed and market value is something that can change. It can increase or decrease. Depends. Problem 6. Question number 15 of exercise 3B. Which is the better investment? 16% rupees 100 shares at 80 or 20% rupees 100 shares at 120. Is the question clear? We have two parts. We have to find in both the cases the income for rupees 1 and then compare to find which is a better investment. Let's start. For the first case, given dividend percentage is equal to 16%. Then rupees 100 is the nominal value. Yes, nominal value is equal to rupees 100. Shares at 80. What is 80 here? 80 is the market value. Correct. Market value is equal to rupees 80. Here the market value is less than nominal value, which means it is a case of below par. We need to find the income on rupees 80 shares, which will be equal to the formula that you use to find the dividend. Dividend percentage of nominal value. That is 16% of 100. Do you have any doubts? We know income and dividend are the same. 16% of 100 is equal to 16 by 100 into 100. You will be getting rupees 16. This is for rupees 80 shares. Then let's find for rupee 1 in order to make the comparison. Because here you will be getting for rupees 80 shares and the second part you will be getting for rupees 120 shares. Then the comparison will not be correct. So we will find for both the cases in rupees 1 share. So income on rupee 1 will be equal to 16 divided by 80. Yes, 16 by 80, which is equal to 0.2 rupee. Okay, 0.2 rupees. This is the first case. We understood why we found for rupee 1 to make the comparison. You cannot keep this in rupees 80 and the other in rupees 120 and make the comparison. Clear? Now the second case. Given quantities, dividend percentage is equal to 20%. Then nominal value is same, that is rupees 100. At 120, market value is rupees 120. This is a case of above par. We have a premium here. Income on rupees 120 shares. Same procedures. 16% of 100. Here you will be having 20% dividend percentage of nominal value 100. That is 20 by 100 into 100 equal to rupees 20. This is for 120, rupees 120 shares. Now income on rupee 1 shares. Divide 120 from 20. 20 divided by 120. You will be getting 0.17. Clear? Here the income on rupee 1 is 0.2 rupees. Here the income on rupee 1 is 0.17. Then which is the better investment? It is clear, right? 0.2 and 0.17. Which is greater? 0.2 greater than 0.17. Which means first case, that is 16% rupees 100 shares at 80 is the better investment. Clear? This is the better investment. Okay, here is the last question for today. Problem 7. Question number 19 of exercise 3B. Two brothers A and B invest rupees 16,000 each in buying shares of two companies. A buys 3% 100 rupees shares at 80 and B buys 10 rupee shares at par. If they both receive equal dividend at the end of the year, find the rate % of the dividend received by B. Clear? Given that dividend of A is equal to dividend of B. We can calculate the dividend of A in order to find the dividend percentage of B. Let's start. For A, the given quantities are, the total investment is given. Investment is equal to 16,000 rupees. Then, dividend percentage or the rate of dividend is given, that is 3%. A buys 3% 100 rupee shares. 100 rupees is the nominal value. Now, what is the market value here? Shares at 80, which means market value is 80. Now, this case, it is above par or below par? Below par, right? There is a discount involved. Market value is equal to rupees 80. In order to find dividend, we have a formula. Number of shares into rate of dividend into nominal value of 1 share. But we don't know what N is. Number of shares we need to find. N is equal to, we can easily find, right? We have the investment and the market value of 1 share. N is equal to 16,000 divided by 80. We will be getting 200 shares. 200 shares. We got the value of N. Now we can easily find what dividend is. Dividend is equal to N 200, rate of dividend 3%, that is 3 divided by 100 into nominal value. Nominal value is given, that is 100. 100. Cancelling this, you will be getting rupees 600. Now this is the dividend of A. We have dividend of A is equal to dividend of B. Yes. Then in the case of B, we got the dividend is equal to 600. Rupees 600. What else? We have in case of B, the total investment. That is, investment is same for both A and B. Investment is equal to rupees 16,000. Then, B buys 10 rupee shares at par. At par means, in the first we have studied, what does at par mean? Nominal value and the market value are equal. So, here the nominal value is equal to rupees 10. Also, the market value is equal to rupees 10. We need to find the dividend percentage. To find dividend percentage, we have a formula, that is dividend divided by nominal value into 100. We need to get the nominal value of n number of shares, right? Here we have nominal value of one share is rupees 10. We have the investment and the market value. We can easily find the number of shares. What is number of shares? N is equal to 16,000. That is the investment divided by market value. You will be getting 1,600 shares. We got the value of N. Therefore, the nominal value of 1,600 shares is equal to 16,000 rupees. Now we can find the dividend percentage. Just substitute here. Dividend percentage is equal to dividend. What is the dividend here? 600. 600 divided by nominal value. Nominal value of n number of shares. Here we have 1,600 shares and the nominal value is 16,000 into 100. Cancelling zeros. 600 divided by 160. We will be getting 3.75%. 3.75%. This is your final answer. Clear? That's all for today. In today's class, we have discussed question from exercise 3B. In the next session, we'll be discussing 3C questions. Until then, keep practicing more questions. I'll be back in the next session. Until then, stay tuned to LearnoHub. LearnoHub free hai, par best hai. Thank you.